Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mimic PC tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to explore Whisper Web UI, an advanced speech-to-text model that offers a wide range of functionalities. We'll dive into its features like basics of Whisper Web UI using the File Upload tab, how to use the mic input feature, and how to use text-to-text translation. So first, let's understand some basics of Whisper Web UI. The dashboard includes three main tabs: File Upload, Mic, and Text-to-Text Translation. This tab allows you to upload existing files, transcribe voice in real time with your microphone, and translate text between languages. You can select between models, adjust settings like language preference, and choose file formats for your transcription outputs. The output file formats include SRT, TXT, and WebVTT. Here are the differences between them. There are different models, which depends in terms of speed and accuracy. Larger models provide higher accuracy but require more VRAM, while smaller models are faster but less precise. You guys can experiment with different models on your own. The basics of the tool are covered. Now let's look at how to use the File Upload tab. This feature allows you to upload an existing file and convert it into text. From here, you can upload an audio or video file. Once your file is uploaded, you can select the model you want to use for transcription. I'll use large V3 as my model. Next, choose a file format for your output. I'll choose SRT. Finally, click Generate Subtitle File to begin the process. So let's fast forward the generation process. And look, our subtitles are ready. A preview of the transcription is visible on the left side. To download it, simply click here. Now, let's move to the Mic tab for real-time speech-to-text transcription. This feature is used to translate a live recording. To begin, click the record button and start speaking. You can also pause the recording. Once you've finished, simply click the stop button. To listen to a preview of your recording, click the play button.
Thanks for watching this Mimic PC tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials and creative tips. See you in the next video.
You can also trim your recordings by clicking here. Next, select a model and the file format. Finally, click the Generate Subtitle File button to start the generation. And you can see that our subtitles are ready in seconds with a preview of it. Download it by clicking here. Next, we'll look at the Text-to-Text Translation tab. This tool allows you to easily translate text from one language to another. From here, upload a file. Only SRT files are supported. Currently, the DeepL API cannot be used. It requires an auth key. As a result, we will select NLLB. It contains three models. Larger models require more VRAM, while smaller models require less. Choose one that is suitable with your VRAM. Next, select a source language, which will be the language of your uploaded file. The target language is the language that you want the output file to contain. We are converting subtitles language from Chinese to English. Finally, click on Translate Subtitle File to start the process, so let us skip the generation process. As you can see, our subtitles language has changed. To download it, simply click here. That wraps up our tutorial. Today we learned about the basic understanding of Whisper, how to use the File Upload for transcribing audio files, the Mic tab for real-time transcription, and the text-to-text translation feature. With these powerful tools built into Mimic PC, you can now transcribe any files into supported formats effortlessly. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.